What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to give you a quick update on the leaf propagation. Most of them have already started to put out pups and few of them have roots. So what I'm excited about is the flower stalk. I think you'll be able to see it. I'll zoom in a little bit. So these are the leaves from the flower stalk. Not all of them have been successful, but I do see some success with the maybe 5 or 6 of those flower stalk leaves. They have started to put out pups. Especially these two already have pups. You can see, looks absolutely amazing. The dusty rose have not propagated this year for some reason. Just one of them have roots and another one has roots and pups. But majority of the dusty rose this year have not propagated really fast. Ideally, they tend to do it very fast. Maybe it's because of the environment. It's getting quite cold, so probably because of that they might have not propagated. But it's not that they are dormant. I have some more haworthia leaves that have propagated, so I think it depends upon the variety. But majority of the graptos have started to put out pups. You can see this lane is completely with Graptopetalum Purple Delight, and you can see all of them have put out pups. But what I have noticed is the haworthias are quite slow, but they are doing their thing, but it's very slow as compared to the graptos. The graptos have put out a good amount of pups. Even the Patchoveria opet, I think you'll be able to see it over here. This one was the Patchoveria opet. You can see they also have a good amount of pups, but for some reason they have turned around. I don't know why. So we're just gonna turn them like this. You can see there are a lot of pups. You can see the amount of pups on this. I don't know why have they started to grow the opposite way, even though this is the right side of the leaves. I just noticed this now. So I'm going to turn them like this so that the pups can grow. This is very strange. I'm seeing this for the first time, that the pups are growing the other way around, but that's absolutely fine. You can see they already have a good set of roots as well as pups, so that's not much of an issue. And I think rest of the sedums, graptoverias, everything is growing really well. This is very strange. I don't know why are they growing upside down, but that's okay. As long as they have roots and pups, it's absolutely fine. So the orpets, all of them have put out pups and roots. Looks absolutely amazing. And you'll also see, you can see the roots that were inside, they are white, and the upper portion is a little bit pink because they're exposed to the light. So all of them are doing fantastic. I will show you another tray as well. In this tray we have more of haworthias, and for the first time I do see my haworthia champagne is putting out a pup. I have never propagated an haworthia champagne, but it's doing quite well. My haworthia Christmas is already starting to put out roots. As I said, haworthias are putting out roots and pups, but in some cases they are not. I'm not very sure why, but they are doing quite well. This was the first time I propagated the pink one that you see over here. This one is the purple haze. You can see it is also starting to put out pups. So all of them are doing fantastic. This is the champagne, and yes, it is putting out a pup. This is champagne. This is my first time that I'm doing a propagation on champagne. I was a little bit worried whether champagne is going to get propagated or not, because aguides and champagnes, this is not the right time to do any kind of propagation. The best time is during the summers, but I just went ahead and did it anyways. So some of them have dried. I'll just throw them off. This is another haworthia which is also starting to root. No pups yet. But I'm very happy that they are doing quite well. I've been following the same watering method, which is bottom watering, and looks like it has been working out really well. So I have done 3 trays as of now. This one is the last one. This one had more of graptos, so I knew that this is going to get propagated very, very fast. So this was titubans, paraguanis. This was more of Graptovaria titubans, Graptosedum ghostii, and Graptopetalum ghost. So all of them are doing quite well. A lot of good compact pups. I will be watering them today because the soil is already dry. So pretty much all of them are doing quite well. You can see the process is very, very slow. This one was the first tray that I started. This one was the pigeon attack tray. But you can see how slow the growth is. It is going to take quite some time for them to reach a decent size, or probably a medium size is going to take even longer. So it is a very, very long process. The only thing that I do is I have kept them aside. I don't fidget around with them. The only time when I look at them is when I tend to water them. Other than that, they are just kept aside. So it takes a very, very long time. So that's about it. I will be also watering this tray as well. Everything looks fantastic. Let's see when the Dusty Rose will start to put out pups. They already, some of them have roots, like this one has roots, but others don't have anything yet. And here there is a mother leaf that is gone, but we have a good size of pup, so nothing to be worried. At times the mother leaf will dry out or will turn mushy before time, but that's absolutely fine. Nothing much can be done. But overall, everything is looking fantastic. All we have to do is just have patience, and things are going to work. I will be cleaning out the dry leaves. I'll be taking out the ones that didn't make it, and then I can put other leaves in that place. Like again over here we have another one. As you can see, they happen to dry out, which is absolutely normal. We can't do much in that case. So we are going to put some other leaves in that place. So that's about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.